शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलारोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വിണ്ടൂമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. So we'll do a quick Nikki 47, 48, right? And then the next two chapters are also pretty small chapters that we're going to do today. So we should probably be able to complete at least more than a chapter and a half. So 47, Ramesh, can you do 47 today?
Yeah.
Okay. Sabita, can you do 48?
Sure.
All right, Ramesh, go ahead.
Parida voice, கேக்குறது audio. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rajesh, 47 கொஞ்சம் ராகம் I have to pick it. Sorry.
एकधा धदि विमातकारिणी
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Dashakam 47. Ulukala Bandhana Varnana. Correct? Okay. Ekata dati vimatakarinim mataram samupaseti van pavan sanyalolupataya nivarayan angametya papivan payotaro artapita kuchakutmale tvayi snigdhasa madhurananambuje दुक्तमीश दहने परिश्रुतं धर्तुमासु जननी जकामते सामिपीतरसभङ्गशङ्कत क्रोतः भारपरिपूतचेतसः.
And the krodha visarga illiya Ramesh, just continues na. Krodha bhara continues apidum.
सामिपीतरसभङ्गशङ्क क्रोत पारपरिपूतचेतसा मन्ततण्डमुपहृत्य पाटितं हन्त देवदधिपाजनं त्वया.
Second time Chulumbudi, you missed one word in the first time, but that's okay. First time you said it. Second time somehow you missed one word, but that's okay. You can continue.
Ujjala dvanitamuccakaistata sannisamya janani samadrita tvayase visaravat darshasha satyayeva dhati visrutam kshitau vedamarka parimarkitam vrusha tvamavikshya parimarkayantyasau Shantadarsa Sukriti Lulu Santadarsa Sukridin Yulu Kale Tiyamana Navanita Motave Tvam Prakrikya Padapita Pavana Pasurana Nasaroja Masasa Rosha Rushita Muki Saki Puro Bantanaya Rasanamu Patate Bandumichati Yameva Lajjanastam
Sajjanas. Yameva Sajjanas.
Sajjar Bandumichati Yameva Sajjanastam Bhavantamayi Bandumichati Sayunajya rasana gunan bahun Tvangulona makilam kilaikshata Vismito smita saki jane kshitam Svinna santa vapusham nirikshatam Nityamukta vapurapya ho hare Bandhameva kripayanvamanyata Manyata Kripayanvamanyata Stiyatam chiramulu kale Tyagata bhavanameva sayata.
Yes, correct.
Prakula kalaplantare tata sarpidarpam anantavastita.
One second, on the line there. Pragulukal.
pra-
Pragulukal. Bilantere tada.
pra-
Sarpirarpitam adhanna vastitaha.
pra- prakulukala- kalapilantere tata sarpirarpitam anantavastita.
Anantala.
Correct,
Adhanna vastitaha. Adhanna.
okay, chalo, okay. Prakula kalapilantere tata sarpirarpitam adannavastita.
Correct.
Yatyapashushuko moha bhavan samyata kimu sapasayanaya evamati dvijairabhishtudo vatanata paripaki mam gatat. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.
Hey, Ramesh, remember there's a lot of lag. Yeah, Papa, it was breaking. Was it just for me or?
என்னோட ஆடியோ இல்லையா?
Ama. I think it was like pausing and then suddenly
right?
rushing through. So, but anyway, it's fine. I was able to follow what you said, but
I had the same thing.
Sorry, Rajesh, I found out என்னுடைய
Yeah, it was the same for me too.
இன்டர்நெட் வந்து சரியா கனெக்ட் ஆகல. சாரி,
oh,
பிகாஸ்
no
ஆஃப்
worries. Okay.
நான் ஐ வில் கடைசில டைம்
I think you froze now.
We lost.
No, we got you now. No, I think I was able to follow what you were chanting. It's just that கொஞ்சம் pause ஆயினது அவ்வளவுதான். So no worries.
இல்ல, இப்ப இன்டர்நெட் நாட் கனெக்டட் ப்ராப்பர்லி. இப்பதான் வந்திருக்கு கனெக்ட்
Yeah,
பண்ணி.
it's better now. Yeah.
Yeah, அதனால ஐ திங்க் ஐ டிடன்ட் ரியலைஸ் இட். சாரி.
No worries. Savita, go ahead.
Okay. Om Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Yamalarjuna Kanjana Varnanam. Muda suraugaitvamudarā sammadaihi udirya modarayitya bishtutāha mrududara mulukalelaganna aduratodvau kakuba udaikshatāha Kubera sunur nalakubarabidaha paro manigriva iti pratam gataha mahesha sevadigata kshriyonmadau chiram kilatvat vibhavakelatam surapagayam kilatau mudotkatau madotkatau Surapagayam kilatau madotkatau surapagayat bahuyavvatavritau vivasasau keli parau sanarado bhavatpataika pravano niraikshata priya lokamupatavasasam paro nirikshapi mada சேதசௌ உபாத்த வரணும்.
இல்ல இந்த
அங்க பிரேக் பண்ணணும்.
புரோ நிரீக்ஷாபி second line and we lost you also for a second.
Okay.
Right, Priya? Okay.
அப்படியா?
Okay, go ahead.
பிரியா லோகமுபாத்தவாசசம் புரோ நிரீக்ஷ்யாபி மதாந்த சேதசௌ இமௌ பவத்பக்த்யுபசாந்தி சித்தயே முனிர்ஜகௌ சாந்தி மிருதே குதः சுகம் युवामवाप्तौ ककुबात्मतां चिरं हरिं निरीक्ष्यात पदं स्वमाप्नुतम् इति रीतौ तौ भवदीक्षणस्पृहां गतौ वृजान्ते ककुबौ बभूवतुः अतन्द्रमिन्द्रद्रुयुगं तथाविधं समेयुषा मन्तरगामिना त्वया तिरायुतो लुखलरोद निर्धुतौ चिराय जीर्णौ परिपातितौ तरु अबाजिशाकिद्वितयं यदा त्वया तदैव तद्गर्भतला निरेयुषा महात्विषा यक्षयुगेन तक्षणात् अभाजि गोविन्द भवानपि स्तवैः इहान्य भक्तोऽपि समेष्यति क्रमाद् भवन्तमेतौ खलु रुद्रसेवकौ मुनिप्रसादात् भवदङ्घ्रिमागतौ गतौ वृणानौ खलु भक्तिमुत्तमाम् ततस्तरु ततस्तरुधरण दारुणारव प्रकम्पि सम्पाति निगोपमण्डले विलज्जितत्वज्जननी मुखे क्षीणा व्यमोक्षिनन्देन भवान् विमोक्षदः महीरुहोर्मध्यगतो बतार्भको हरेः प्रभावात् अपरीक्षतोऽधुना इति ब्रुवाणैर्गमितो गृहं भवान् मरुत्पुराधीश्वर पाहि मां गतात्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः।
Very good. The stanza 9, third and fourth line, did you try to join it when you were chanting?
Yeah, vilajjitattvajjanani mukekshina kama vyamokshindena bhavan vimokshadaha.
That's right. And I somehow felt like you were trying to join it this way. So. Okay. So let's go. So maybe so Sangeeta V and Sangeeta Prasad, can you both be students today?
Sure.
Rajesh.
Okay. So we'll start with 51 and then we'll see how much of 52 we can do. Again, these are small chapters, right? So 51 is so Aghasura. So originally when the Krishna Avataram was happening and in I think it was 39, right, or 38 or something, where Kamsa was then told by some of his, the Putana, Bakhasura and few of those people, right, to continue going and, you know, looking for Krishna. So the Aghasura is also one of their, is their brother. So let's see what happens here at Aghasura, and then that continues on to 52 as well. 51 and 52 are connected. Okay, so stanza 1. Kadachana brajashishubhis samam bhavan vanashane vihita matih praghetaram samhavruto bahutara vatsamandalaihi sate manaini ragamadisha jhemanaihi. So actually, interestingly, because I think we didn't do okay, 49, 50 we didn't do. So let me just give you a quick context of what happens there. So they are all in Gokulam, right? And so Mathura is where Kamsa is, and Gokulam is where Krishna and Nandagopa, all of them are. And you can go check in the UP map. They're all close to each other, like 40 minutes, 50 minutes drive left. So because of all the bad things that were happening, right? When Krishna Putanavara and then a couple of other things that actually happened. So they all think that it's bad for Krishna. Nandagopa and others think it is bad omen. So they all decide to relocate. So they all move from Gokulam to Vrindavan in the 49th chapter. Okay, so they all move to Vrindavan on the banks of Yamuna as well. So that's all already happened in 49. So right now, from 50, everything that is happening in Vrindavan. Krishna doesn't go back to Gokula, although the Gopikas and the Gopas do go back to Gokula eventually. Because Krishna leaves Vrindavan, and we'll see that he eventually goes to Mathura when he goes to meet Kamsa, right? And then he doesn't come back at all. And then he directly from there goes to Dwaraka. But the Gopas and the Gopika, they go back to Gokula. But right now, what's going to happen is in Vrindavan, right? So anyway, so in that one day, they all, the boys are the ones who are taking all the calves and going for grazing. So another, they decide instead of, they're in a new place as well. So instead of taking to some place nearby, they decide to take it to a forest on the banks of Yamuna. So, and when they decide to do that in the morning, they wake up early in the morning and they tell they're going to pack picnic lunch. They pack all the food here. So here they say they pack, you know, Satay Manai is all the side dishes. They take a lot of things and they take cooked rice along with them, right? Jay Manai is cooked rice. So because they're all going to the forest, they're going to be eating it much later in the day. So they take all the cooked rice and they leave very early in the morning. Krishna, you along with your friends and along with all the cows and the calves, leave the house early in the morning. So typical in the 51 Bhattacharya part is very strategically put 51 as cooked rice and food and everything, because when you do the Sampurna Narayanam, right after 51 is we take a lunch break. So another the 51 chapter, when we did in the May Parayanam and all, we had cooked rice, right? Like lemon rice, coconut rice and all as prasadam. So anyway, so they all go there. Kadachana Vraja Shishubhihi is there. So you can put a is Shishubis Samam Bhavan, comma, Vanashane Vihita Matihi. So put a if Matif Pragetaram. Samavruto Bahutara Vatsa Mandalaihi, comma, Sate Manair Niragama Dhisha Jemanaihi. Kadhachana Braja Shishubes Samam Bhavan Vanashane Vihita Matif Pragetaram Samavruto Bahutara Vatsa Mandalaihi Sate Manai Niragamadish Jemanaihi.
Kadachana Vrajashishubis Samam Bhavan Vanashane Vihitamatif Pragetaram Samavruto Bahutaravat Samandalaihi Sate Manai Niragamadish Jemanaihi. Kadachana Vrajashishubis Samam Bhavan Vanashane Vihitamatif Pragetaram Samavruto Bahutaravat Samandalaihi Sate Manai Niragamadish Jemanaihi.
Kadachana Vrajashishubis Samam Bhavan Vanashane Vihitamatif Pragetaram Samavruto Bahutaravat Samandalaihi Sate Manai Niragamadish Jemanaihi. Kadachana Vrajashishubis Samam Bhavan Vanashane Vihitamatif Pragetaram Samavruto Bahutara Vatsa Mandalaihi Sate Manai Niragama Disha Jemanaihi.
Stanza 2. Vinhir Yatas Tava Charanam Bujadvayate Udanchitam Tribhuvana Pavanam Rajaha Maharshaya Pulakadarai Kalevaraihi Uduhire Dhrita Bhavadikshanotsamah. So here Bhattacharya is saying that it is so hard to, and I think he said it a couple of times, several times in the past as well, right? Is people worship and struggle so much, do so much penance and do so much things to reach you. But however, the people of Vrindavan and Gokul, they are so fortunate because they are always with you. So Krishna, when you were walking, the dust that is actually coming out of your feet when you are actually going into the forest, that is Tribhuvana Pavanam Rajaha. It's a dust that actually sanctifies all the three worlds. So Andamari dust to under the sages who were residing in Vrindavan, the rishis who understood the value of that. So Avavandu, when the dust fell on them, right, or when you walk in the dust that was there, so that actually caused horripilation. When they saw you going and they could actually feel the dust that's actually coming out of your feet. And they all felt extremely happy and they celebrated that you are actually in their presence, because of which you are so accessible to all of them. So, Binir Yatas Tava Charanam Bhuja Dvayat. Put the it at the end of that line and a comma. Dvayat. Next line, the du becomes a u. So, Udanchitam Tribhuvana Pavanam Rajaha Maharshayaha. So put a if there, Maharshaya Pulakadaraihi. So if there, Pulakadarai Kalebaraihi. You can put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Kalebaraihi. Next line, that ru becomes a u. Uduhire Dhrita Bhavadikshanotsawaha. So it's difficult to break it. It's Bhavat Ikshana Utsavaha. Multiple words there. So Bhavadikshanotsawaha. विनिर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयात् उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कलेभरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः।
विनिर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयात् उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कलेवरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः। विनिर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयात् उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कलेवरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः।
विनिर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयात् उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्ष्य पुलकधरैः कलेबरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः।
And get to the third line, Maharshaya, full sh and full ya. So Maharshaya.
Okay, Maharshaya. Okay. विनिर्यतस्तव चरणाम्बुजद्वयात् उदञ्चितं त्रिभुवनपावनं रजः महर्षयः पुलकधरैः कलेबरैः उदूहिरे धृतभवदीक्षणोत्सवाः।
Stanza 3. प्रचारयत्य विरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अघासुरोऽन्यरुणदगाय वर्तनीं भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः. So then Krishna is 5 years old at this time, because in the later on I will tell you how we know what the age when Krishna was at this time. It comes later. So and of course the other kids were all must have been older as well, right? So all the kids and Krishna, they were all like kind of wandering around. The cows and the calves are all grazing there in the lush forest. So the Aghasura was another asura who was the brother of Putana and Bhakasura. So Putana we saw in 40 and 41 also it continues, and Bhakasura comes in one of the other chapters as well. So Aghasura, because he wanted to take revenge of Krishna, then killing his brother and his sister, and anyway he was one of the emissaries of Kamsa, right? So Kamsa has sent out all these people to kill. So he then decides to take this opportunity to take care of Krishna, and he thought, what best than to not only kill Krishna but also kill all the calves and kill all the gopas as well, because then Kamsa will be extremely pleased if he can do this. So Adinala, what he does is he then takes the form of a Bhayanaka, means very, of course, terrorizing, right? Very evil form, Mari. In a Shayana, see, the Shayana means lying down, right? Shayana, that comes from the word Shayanaka, which means a python or a big snake. So Shayanaka Kakriti, he takes the form of a very big, frightening snake, and he's blocking their way. Next stanza, they'll describe how he's blocking, but he's blocking their way right now of the kids and the calves. So Prachara Yatya Virala. So it's difficult to break that because it's Prachar Yati Avirala. So say that together. Prachar Yatya Virala Shadvale Tale, comma, Pashun Vibho Bhavati Samam Kumarakaihi Aghasuro Nyaruna Dhagaya Vartanim, comma, Bhayanakaha. So put it is Bhayanakas Sapadi Shayanakakritihi. Pracharayatya Viralashadvale Tahe Pashun Vibho Bhavati Samam Kumarakaihi Aghasuro Nyarunadagaya Vartanim Bhayanaka Sapadi Shayanakakritihi.
प्रचारयत्य विरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अघासुरोऽन्यरुणदघाय वर्तनीं भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः प्रचारयत्य विरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अघासुरोऽन्यरुणदघाय वर्तनीं भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः
प्रचारयत्यविरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अगासुरोऽन्यरुणदगाय वर्तनीं भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः प्रचारयत्यविरलशाद्वले तले पशून् विभो भवति समं कुमारकैः अगासुरोऽन्यरुणदगाय वर्तनीं भयानकः सपदि शयानकाकृतिः
The third line, Sangeeta, Vartaneem. Okay.
वर्तनीम्. Okay, long no.
Stanza 4. Mahachala pratimatanor guhaniba prasarita pratita mukasya kanane mukodaram viharana kautukadghataha kumarakah kimapi vidurage tvahi. So this Aghasura was appearing like a huge mountain because, at least in Bhagavatam, it says he was 8 miles long. That was the length, that was the size of Aghasura. So because he was that long, he was also equally high and equally wide. So when the kids and everybody saw it, they really thought this was like a huge mountain, which is actually out there. And in that huge mountain that is there, his mouth was also open wide. So the kids thought it is a big cave. So Bhattacharya doesn't say anything, but in Bhagavatam, they kind of describe the conversation the kids are all having amongst themselves. So they're all new to Vrindavan. So they're all saying, you know what, this must be some very famous scenic spot, because this looks so different from the rest of the forest. Looks like this is a really big mountain. There is a cave there. We should all probably go and explore that cave. And some kids are saying, no, let's not go because it looks very dark inside. And it's a huge risk because Krishna was not there. Krishna had just gone a little away or something, maybe intentionally. So when he was not there, these boys are discussing this. And some kids are saying, you know what, why do we worry? We have Krishna with us, so we can just go. And if anything, you know, Krishna will come and help us or something. And then they all decide that. And then they enter that cave on the mountain, which is actually Aghasura's mouth. And it is, like I said, it's huge and it's terrifying that they enter into that. So Mahachala Pratima Tanur Guha Nibha, and then put a plus there. Prasarita Pratita Mukhasya Khanane Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukad Gataha, comma, then Kumarakaha. So put a ish there. Kumarakah Kimapi Bidurage Tvai. Mahachala Pratimatanor Guhaniba Prasarita Pratita Mukhasya Kanane Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukadghataha Kumarakah Kimapi Vidurage Tvahi.
Rajesh, on the first line, Mahachara Pratimata Nor
Pratima Tanor.
Okay, Pratima Tanor Guhani
Guha Niba.
Guha Niba, adukapra enna vandhudu, I think
Guha Niba, and then you put a plus there. Then Prasarita Pratita Mukasya Kanane.
Mahachala Pratimata Nor Guha okay. Mahachala Pratimata Nor Guha
Guha Nibha, and then you can put
Guha Niba, okay. Mahachala Pratimata Nor Guha Niba Prasarita Pratita Mukasya Kanane Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukad Gataha Kumaraka Kimapi Vidurage Tvayi. Mahachala Pratimata Nor Guhaniba Prasarita Pratita Mukasya Kanane Mukhodaram Viharana Kautukad Gataha कुमारका किमपि विदूरगे त्वयि।
Sorry, one nimsham. Mahachala Pratimatanurguhaniba Mahachala Pratimatanurguhaniba Prasarita Pratita Mukasya Kanane Mukodaram Viharana Kautukadgataha Kumarakaf Kimapi Vidurage Twayi Mahachala Pratimatanurguhaniba Prasarita Pratita Mukasya Kanane Mukodaram Viharana Kautukadgataha Kumarakaf Kimapi Vidurage Twayi.
Stanza 5. Pramadata pravishati pannagodharam kvatattanau pashupakule savatsake bidannidam tvamapi viveshita prabho suhrujjanam visharanamashu rakshitum. So now the boys, the Gopa boys and the calves, they start walking in, right, into the snake's mouth, and they eventually get into the belly of the snake. So they just keep walking. So they walk into the belly of the snake. So once they reach a little bit inside of the snake, then because of the heat that is actually coming from the snake, they all start feeling hot at this point. So at this time, knowing what has actually happened, so you, O Krishna, Viveshita Prabho, you, O Lord, you also entered through the snake's mouth because you know what was happening there, and you had to go and Suhrujjanam, your friends, your friendly folks who are the Gopa boys and the calves which are stuck there, you have to go and Rakshitum, you have to go and protect them. So you also entered into the snake's mouth right now to go get your helpless friends out. So the boys by now realize that something is wrong here. This is not just a normal cave, or maybe it's a very dangerous cave, but they were kind of stuck inside the mouth. And Aghasura still kept his mouth open because he eventually wanted Krishna to come. So he had kept his mouth open and Krishna also entered. So Pramadataha, so put a if, Pramadatah Pravishati Panna Godaram, comma, Kwatathanau. So it's a kwa, right? It's a half ik there, ik and then a verb. So Kwatathanau Pashupakule Savatsake Vidannidham Twamapi Viveshita Prabho, comma, Suhrujjanam Visharanam Ashu Rakshitum.
Rajesh, once again. Pashupakule Savatsake. Is it Savatsake?
Savatsake, yeah.
Long
Va.
va.
Long va, yeah. Let me just check, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Pramadata Pravishati Panna Godharam Kvatattanau Pashupakule Savatsake Bidannidam Tvamapi Viveshita Prabho Suhrujjanam Visharanamashu Rakshitum.
Pramadatav pravishati pannagodaram kvatattanau pashupakule savatsake vidhannidham tvamapi viveshita prabho suhrujjanam visharanamashu rakshitum. Pramadatav pravishati pannagodaram kvatattanau pashupakule savatsake vidhannidam tvamapi viveshita prabho suhrujjanam visharanamashu rakshitum.
Pramadata pravishati pannagodaram kvatattanau pashupakule savatsake vidannidam tvamapi viveshita prabho suhrujjanam visharanamashu rakshitum. Pramadata pravishati pannagodaram kvatattanau pashupakule savatsake vidannidam tvamapi viveshita prabho suhrujjanam visharanamashu rakshitum.
Stanza 6. Galhodhare vipulita varshmana tvaya mahorage lutathi niruddha marute Drutam bhavan vidalita kanthamandalo bimochayan pashupa pashun vinirgyayao. So then once Krishna then enters into the snake's mouth, then at the throat area of the snake. So snake, when they, because it opens its mouth like this, right? So just at the point where the joining is happening. So he goes there, and then Krishna starts becoming bigger in size. Vipulita Varshmana, your size starts growing. And when Krishna's size starts growing inside the throat, the snake also starts growing. I know it's also able to grow up to a certain point. But once it reaches a point where it cannot grow, then Krishna's increased size is then essentially blocking the flow of air into the snake's body. The breath is getting stopped. So because of that, the snake actually, it suffocates, and then the snake actually dies. And when the snake dies, then all the boys and the cattle and all of them then eventually end up coming out of the snake at this point. So Galodhare Vipulita Varshmana Tvaya, Mahorage Lutati Niruddha Marute Drutam Bhavan Vidalita Kantha Mandalo, Bimochayan Pashupa Pashun Viniryaya. So they all get freed and they all come out. Galhodare Vipulita Varshmana Tvaya Maho Rage Lutati Niruddha Marute Drutam Bhavan Vidalita Kanthamandalo Bimochayan Pashupa Pashun Viniryaya.
गलोदरे विपुलितवर्ष्मणा त्वया महोरगे लुटति निरुद्धमारुते द्रुतं भवान् विदलित कण्ठमण्डलो विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ गलोधरे विपुलितवर्ष्मणा त्वया महोरगे लुटति निरुद्धमारुते द्रुतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलो विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ
गलोदरे विपुलितवर्ष्मणा त्वया महोरगे लुटति निरुद्धमारुते धृतं भवान् विदलितकण्ठमण्डलो विमोचयन् पशुपशून् विनिर्ययौ.
I get the second line, Niruddha, double dha there.
Niruddha. Okay. Galodare Vipulitavarshmana Tvaya Mahorage Lutati Niruddha Marute Drutam Bhavan Vidalita Kanta Mandalo Vimochayan Pashupapashun Viniryayau.
That's a 7. Kshanam Devet Tvatupagamartamastitam Mahasura Prabhava Maho Mahate Binirgate Twayitu Nilina Manjasa Nabastale Nanruturato Jagusura. But before Krishna came out, what happened at that time? Kshanam Devi, at that instant, for an instant, at that time, out of Agasura's Murdni, at the top of his head, a light came out, and that light, bright light, was shining in the sky. When Agasura died, when his pranavayu left his body, so a bright light then came out, and the Gopa boys first came out, and then later on, when Krishna came out, that light eventually merged into Krishna. It says here, it also says in Bhagavatam also, that Aghasura essentially, this is a backstory. I don't know what the backstory is, but essentially he had to take this birth for whatever reason, and then he was going to be liberated. So then he then merged into Krishna, and then he got liberated. Now this story, and then when this happened, of course, the gods and everybody were all very happy. Suraha, they all are extremely happy because one other Asura is also gone from this earth, from this planet Aklina. They all were extremely happy when they saw this. So this story that happened here, the boys see it, right? The Gopa boys see it. And the Gopa boys also saw what happened when the Trinavarta came and took Krishna as a wind. They also came, and Sakatasura came in the form of a carp and Krishna kicked that cart away. The boys see that. They also see what happens here, where a light comes out of Aghasura and merges into Krishna's body. But anytime they say this, the adults do not believe that this is even possible. So the boys are saying, no, we really saw with our own eyes that this actually happened. But the boys are saying, no, this is all your imagination. Everybody, what do you call, just disposes them off, right? Saying that this is all not happening. So the boys then end up thinking that there is some power in Krishna because of which he's able to do all that, but they believe it. And this incident that the boys saw, they are when Krishna is 5 years old, they tell their parents 1 year later, as if it happened today. The Sukha Brahman is saying Parikshit. So we'll see why that is later, but just remember that note, right, as to what's happening here. So Kshanam Divi Twadupama Twad Upagama Artam. So it's multiple words there. So try to say the whole word together. Twadupagamartam Astitam. Twadupagamartam Astitam, comma. Mahasura Prabhava Maho Mahate. Binirgate Twai tu Nilinam Anjasa, comma. Nabhaha. So put a is there. Nabas Stale Nandruturato Jaguhu. So is there again. Jagus Suraha. Shantam Devet Twadupagamartamastitam Mahasura Prabhava Maho Mahate Binirgate Twayitu Nini Namanjasa Nabasthale Nanruturato Jagusuraha.
Kshanam divi tvadupagamārtamastitam mahāsuraprabhavamaho maho mahat vinirgate tvayitu nilīnamanjasa nabasthale nandruturato jagussuraha. Kshanam divi tvadupagamārtamastitam mahāsuraprabhavamaho maho mahat vinirgate tvayitu nilīnamanjasa nabasthale nandruturato jagussuraha.
Shanam devi tvadupagamārtamāsitam mahāsura prabhavamaho maho mahat vinirgate tvayitu nilīna manjasa nabastale nandruturato jagussuraha. Shanam devi tvadupagamārtamāsitam mahāsura prabhavamaho maho mahat vinirgate tvayitu nilīna manjasa nabastale nandruturato jagussuraha.
Stanza 8. Savismaye Kamala Bhavadi Bhisuraihi Anudrutastadanugatah Kumarakaihi Dine Punastaruna Dashamupeyushi Swakair Bhavanatanuta Bhojanotsavam. So this incident of what happened here, where Krishna grew in size, and all of this happened here. So this is Savispayahi. It is causing like all of them were surprised. Who? Kamala Bhavadi. Kamala Bhavadi means one who's come from a lotus. So Brahma and other Suraihi, and other gods, they are really surprised and amazed because they've seen all the avatarams, and somehow the way way Aghasura was killed, they got really surprised at what all is a possibility, because you are such a small boy. Because in the Putana and all of that happened, right? It is Krishna was still in Krishna's form. So this is the first time where he started changing his form. So they all got really wonderstruck, and all of them, Brahma and others, know that this is Krishna avataram is happening, but sometimes they get clouded by their other thoughts. So they all got very surprised here. Anyways, we'll see what happens later. So then all of you, Krishna, you along with the boys, then went to another spot because all of this was happening here. And then when Taruna Dine, when the day later on, Taruna Dasham, when it reached its youthful state, that means the day is when the sun is peaking. So at noon time, when it was time for lunch, then all of you then Bhojanotsavam. All of you then decide to have your picnic food that you had actually got along with Swakaihi, along with all your friends. You all settle down in a part of the forest and you decide along the river, and then you decide to have your lunch at this point. So Sa Vismayehi is there. So put a ih there. So Sa Vismayeh Kamala Bhavadi Bihi. So put the is again. Kamala Bhavadi Bis Suraihi. Visarga at the end and then a comma. Suraihi. Next line, that ra becomes a. Anudrutas Tadanu Gatah Kumarakaihi. Dine Punas Taruna Dasham Upeyushi, comma, Swakair Bhavan Atanuta, if you want to break it. So Swakair Bhavan Atanuta Bhojanotsavam. Savismaye Kamala Bhavadi Besuraihi Anudrutastadanu Gatah Kumarakaihi. Dine Punastaruna Dashamupeyushi Swakair Bhavanatanuta Bhojanotsavam.
Savismaya Kamala Bhavadi Bisuraihi Anudrutasthadanu Kumarakaihi Dine Punastaruna Dashamupeyushi Swakair Bhavan Atanuta Bhojanotsavam. Savismayai Kamala Bhavadi Bisuraihi Anudrutasthadanu Kumarakaihi Dine Punastaruna Dashamupeyushi Swakair Bhavan Atanuta Bhojanotsavam.
Savismayai Kamala Bhavadi Bisuraihi Anudrutas Tadanugatav Kumarakaihi Dine Punas Taruna Dashamupeyushi Swakair Bhavana Tanuta Bhojanotsavam. Savismayaika Kamala Bhavadi Bisuraihi Anudrutas Tadanugatav Kumarakaihi Dine Punas Taruna Dashamupeyushi Swakair Bhavana Tanuta Bhojanotsavam.
Stanza 9. Vishanikamapi muralim nitambake niveshayan kabaladharah karambuje prahasayan kalavachanai kumarakan bhubhojitat kridashaganait mudhanutaha. So now that they're all settled in, they're going to be having their lunch. So Vishanikam means the horn that they have, the small U-shaped horn that they have, which they blow to call people or to make noise. So all that, the horn that you had there. Murali means the flute. So Murali, all of that you then tuck into your side waist. So they're all, they tuck it in there. And then Kabaladhara Karambuje. Karambuje means in your lotus-like hands. You then have this Kabaladharaha. You're holding this ball of rice, cooked rice, like we spoke earlier. And Bhagavata, they specifically say you're holding curd rice, cooked curd rice in your hand. But whatever, cooked rice that they all had packed. So you're holding that in your hand. And then Kala Vachanahi. And then you're talking Krishna. You are then talking to all your Gopa friends. And you're all sharing interesting stories and making jokes. And Prahasayan. And you're making everybody laugh. And you're enjoying with all your friends. So when the Tritashaganai, when the Devas and the gods are also looking at it, they're actually all feeling very jealous, because they're saying in the Gopas how lucky and how fortunate they are that they are actually, we are all struggling here to kind of attain liberation and try to get to this person. We're doing all these sacrifices and everything. And all these Gopas are getting to sit along with Krishna and then talk to him, and then enjoy their time and also have lunch with Krishna at the time. They're all looking and they all praise you for the opportunity that you're given. But remember, these Gopas are also the gods, Devas, who had an opportunity to take birth. So that came in 37 or something, right? Where they are the ones who have done a lot of penance, the rishis who have done a lot of penance. And they are the ones who are getting this opportunity to be with Krishna at this time. So Vishani Kam Api. Vishani Kam Api. Muralim Nitambake, put a plus, Niveshayan Kabaladharah. So if they're joining, Kabaladharah Karambuje. Prahasayan Kalavachanaih, again, sound there, Kalavachanaih Kumarakan, comma, Bhubojita Tridasha Ganair Muda Nutaha. Vishanikamapi Muralim Nitambake Niveshayan Kabaladharah Karambuje. Prahasayan Kalavachanaih Kumarakan Bhubojita Tridashaganair Mudhanutaha.
विशानिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके निवेशयन् कबलदरखराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैकुमारकान् बुभोजितत्रिदशगणैर्मुधानुतः विशानिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके निवेशयन् कबलदरखराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैकुमारकान् बुभोजितत्रिदशगणैर्मुधानुतः
विशानिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके निवेशयन् कबलदरः कराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैकुमारकान् बुभोजितत्रिदशगणैर्मुदानुतः विशानिकामपि मुरलीं नितम्बके निवेशयन् कबलदरः कराम्बुजे प्रहासयन् कलवचनैकुमारकान् बुभोजितत्रिदशगणैर्मुदानुतः.
Last stanza. Sukashanam Tvihatava Gopamandale Makashanat Priyamiva Deva Mandale Iti Stutastridashavarai Jagatpate Marutpuri Nilaya Gadat Prapahimam. Tridasha Varai means all the devas and the gods. So they are all telling you that the Deva Mandale, so in the Deva Mandale, in the Devas, all the sacrifices and everything that they offer in the Yajna, which all goes to the God eventually, in the offering to the Yajna, even that is not as pleasing to you as Gopa Mandale, when you're sitting with the Gopa boys and then you're eating. That is your Sukhashanam, that is like your happy meal. That's what pleases you more, having that cooked ball of rice, a plain curd rice, with your Gopa friends is more pleasing to you and makes you more happy than all the other sacrifices, everything else that the Devas actually offer you a lot. All the Devas are praising. So the learning, the key message here, and this again comes in Kuchelo Pakyanam, which we're going to see later, is it is the intent that matters, right? And not the form in this case. So in that, the Gopa boys are not thinking of Krishna as a god. They are not saying, hey, I'm going to go talk to Krishna, I'm going to play with Krishna, and I'm going to sit with Krishna, I'm going to give him my meal and the half-eaten food that I'm eating, I'm going to give it to him, because they are not thinking of him as God. They are thinking of him as one of their own, right? So Adema, that's what they're saying is when we are also doing things, you should not think of, you should feel like Krishna is a part of your life. So that's what these Gopas and Gopikas felt. So that's why they're saying that everything we do, the Devas are saying, everything we do doesn't please you as much as that half-eaten rice that your friend is sharing with you, that you are okay eating, and that makes you even more happy. So, O Marut Puri Nile, O Lord of Guruvayur, save me from all the ailments. Then Bhattacharya wraps up this chapter. So, Sukhashanam Tviha Tava Gopa Mandale, comma, Makhashanat Priyamiva Deva Mandale Iti Stutas Tridashavarair Jagatpate, comma, Marutpuri Nilaya Gadat Prapahima. It's also similar to, if you all remember Ramayana, Shabari, she offers the Nellikai, right, to Rama, and then she bites, I think it's Shabari only, right, who bites each of that and gives it to him, or Ahalya, I forgot who that was. So she eats everything to just make sure it tastes good. So and there is the Echil and everything, right? Like it doesn't work, right? With Rama or Krishna, neither of them, it didn't work. And even with Kuchela also, right? When he does, and we'll see later, is all of that did not matter. It's the intent that actually matters here. Sukha Tvihatava Gopa Mandale Makashanat Priyamiva Deva Mandale Iti Stutas Trudashavarai Jagatpathe Marutpuri Nilaya Gadat Prapahimam.
Rajesh, ஒரு quick question.
Hmm.
Marutpuri Nilayava Niliyava?
Nilaya.
Okay,
Laya.
thank you.
सुखाशनं त्विह तव गोपमण्डले मकाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतस्त्रिदश वरैर्जगत्पते मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम् सुखाशनं त्विह तव गोपमण्डले मकाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतस्त्रिदश वरैर्जगत्पते मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम्
सुकाशनं त्विह तव गोपमण्डले मकाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतस्त्रिदशवरैर्जगत्पते मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम् सुकाशनं त्विह तव गोपमण्डले मकाशनात् प्रियमिव देवमण्डले इति स्तुतस्त्रिदशवरैर्जगत्पते मरुत्पुरी निलय गदात् प्रपाहि माम् कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः. Was there a correction?
Sorry, what is it?
Correction undada?
Nothing.
Okay.
That concludes 51. So we'll do maybe 5 stanzas or something, or 52. Maybe we can switch, right? So Sri Vidya and Vijay, you be students for the next 30 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll start with 52. Sri Vidya, okay, then ungalku?
Rajesh, actually, I'm working and multitasking right now. If you don't
No
mind,
worries,
can
no
somebody
worries.
else do it?
No, it's Priya. Priya, you can be student. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll start with 52. Anhyavataranikareshva nirikshitam te bhuma tirekamabiviksha tadhagamokshe brahma parikshitu manasa paroksha bhavam ninhyeta vatsakaganan prabhitatyamayam. So like he said earlier, right? Brahma and others are looking at this and saying, I've seen all the avatarams of yours, right, so far. And in all of those avatarams of yours, you have come and done one job, right? Like Vamana avataram, you came, did one thing for Mahabali, and that's all. But in this avataram, you have done a lot of other things and a lot of amazing things already as a small boy. And when the Aghasura incident also happens, and Brahma is like wondering, let me see how much the god can actually, or what exactly is Krishna's power this time. He decides to test it. Now the question is, why is Brahma wanting to test it? Right? Brahma himself came from Brahman, right? And he knows that Krishna avataram is happening because the gods all approached Brahma, and Brahma then went to Vishnu and said, you want to take an avataram to get rid of Kamsa and others. But he's also curious to see how much of an avataram is happening here, right? Is it the kind of the full Purna avataram, or what extent? So he says, okay, let me go and test. He's doing all these things. Let me go and see how much of a power he's having here. So then, because of the power that he has, because of the Maya that he has, what he does is he decides to go when the boys are all sitting and eating. He goes there, and then the calves. So because the boys are all sitting and eating, the calves are all grazing at one place, right, in the forest area. He makes all those calves disappear, right? So in some places they say Parokshabham, he took them into invisibility, right? Or essentially he made them disappear. So they are not, the calves are no longer visible right now. So Anyavatara Nikareshwar Nirikshitam te, comma, Bhumati Rekam Abhivikshya. If you want to break it, Bhumati Rekam Abhivikshya तदाग मोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितु मनाहा is there, so put a is manas sa paroksha bhavam ninyeta vatsaka ganan pravitatya mayam अन्यावतार निकरेष्व निरीक्षितं ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदागमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितु मनसा परोक्षभावं निन्येत वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्. Go ahead, Vijay.
अन्यावतार निकरेष्व निरीक्षितं ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदागमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितु मनसा परोक्षभावं निन्येथ वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्. अन्यावतार निकरेष्व निरीक्षितं ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदागमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितु मनसा परोक्षभावं निन्येथ वत्सकगणान् प्रवितत्य मायाम्.
अन्यावतार निकरेष्व निरीक्षितं ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदागमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितु मनसा परोक्षभावं निन्येत वत्सकगणान् प्रवितस्य मायाम्. अन्यावतार निकरेष्व निरीक्षितं ते भूमातिरेकमभिवीक्ष्य तदागमोक्षे ब्रह्मा परीक्षितु मनसा परोक्षभावं निन्येत वत्सकगणान् प्रवितस्य मायाम्.
संसतु वत्सान वीक्ष्य विवशे पशुपोत्करे तान् आहेतु काम इव धातृमतानुवर्ती त्वं सामि भुक्त कबलो गतवांस्तदानीं भुक्तां स्थिरोदित सरोज भवः कुमारान्. So all these boys, they're all sitting and eating, and suddenly they see that all the calves have disappeared and they have no idea where it has gone. So everything is gone. So all the boys start panicking. So at that time, Krishna then tells them, you know what, you're all eating, so why don't you all continue eating? Let me go and look for where these calves have gone, and I'll somehow go and get all those calves back. So under Sametla, Krishna is here, but is saying, Krishna, you are doing that because you're kind of giving Brahma a little bit more rope to see how much more is Brahma pushing you, right? So another, you intentionally left the boys alone so that let's to see what is going to happen. And then you went looking for the calves at the time. And then Tom Sami Bukta Kabalam, the ball of rice that you were eating in the previous chapter that we spoke about. You had just eaten half a ball of rice, so that was still in your hand. You're eating that half ball of rice, and then you went looking for where these calves have gone. So Anda Sametla, as expected, Saroja Bhava, who's Brahma, he also made the boys disappear. Even the Gopas also disappear when Krishna then stepped away from there, looking for where the calves are. And the boys were also eating their food at the time. So Vatsan Avikshya, Vivashe, Pashupotkare, Tan, put a in at the end of that line and put a comma, Tan. Next line, Nanetu becomes a Anetu. Anetu kama iva dhatru matanu varti. Tvam sami bhukta kabalo gatavams tadanim, comma, bhuktams tirodita saroja bhavah kumaran. Vatsanavekshya vivashe pashupotkare tan anetu kama iva dhatrumatanu tvam sami bhukta kabalo gatavams tadhanim bhuktam stirodita saroja bhavah kumaran.
Vatsana vikshya vivashe pashupotkare tan आनेतु काम इव धातृमतानुवर्ती त्वं सामि भुक्तकबलो गतवांस्तदानीं भुक्तां स्थिरोधितसरोजभवः कुमारान् वत्सान वीक्ष्य विवशे पशुपोत्करेतान् आनेतु काम इव धातृमतानुवर्ती त्वं सामि भुक्तकबलो गतवांस्तदानीं भुक्तां स्थिरोधितसरोजभवः कुमारान्
वत्सानवीक्ष्य विवशे पशुपोत्करेतान् आनीतु काम इव धातृमतानुवर्ती त्वं सामि भुक्तकबलो गतवांस्तदानीं भुक्तां स्थिरोधितसरोजभवः कुमारान् वत्सानवीक्ष्य विवशे पशुपोत्करेतान् आनीतु काम इव धातृमतानुवर्ती त्वं सामि भुक्तकबलो गतवांस्तदानीं भुक्तां स्थिरोधितसरोजभवः कुमारान्.
Stanza 3. वत्साहितस्तदनु गोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरली घवलादिरूपः प्राग्वत् विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययात बहुधा व्रजमाययाथ. So now everything has disappeared, right? The calves have disappeared, the boys have gone, everything the boys had has gone, the lunch boxes the boys brought in is gone. So Krishna then wanted to see, he knows, okay, Brahma has done this. Now he wanted to see, okay, let me teach Brahma, listen. So if he has to now go back home, everybody is going to ask, where are the boys, right? Where are the calves? Because even though we cannot identify two cows or the calves can identify the calves, right? And in the people, Gopas also can identify this cow versus other cow. So first what Krishna did was, he became each of the calves that was there in the forest. He made himself as each of those calves. Then he had to make himself into each of the Gopa boys who are there. Not only that, you remember we spoke about the horn that the people had. Each of them would have decorated their horn different. So he had to become each of those horns. He had to become each of those murali. He had to become each of those flutes. He also had to become each of their lunch boxes and each of the food that they had actually got, right? So this is a huge lesson, right? Because this is essentially saying is that in everything you should see God. That's what this lesson is, right? So if we all go for a picnic, right? Or we all have taken lunch boxes to school, and we have kids who do this. So when the lunch box comes clean, then we know something is wrong. The kid has probably trashed all the food. We know that. There's always something. From the mixed rice, if you take, then the kotamali or kargaplai will be left in that thing. So we kind of know, okay, I know you have not eaten the whole thing. I see this left. That means, yeah, it's genuine. You ate, you didn't put it in the trash. That's an indicator, right? So Anala, when you listen to the explanations that people give in this, they talk about this stanza for 30 minutes. They say, you know what, there was this Payan Rajamani who never used to eat kargaplai. So when his lunchbox is going home, his mother has to see that kargaplai in there. If the kargaplai is not left over there, then the mother will start getting suspicious. How come this boy suddenly started eating this, right? So Andamari, he had to then become exactly how each of those boys are, how they have decorated each of their horns and their flutes and the tiffin boxes, and whatever food is left over after the boys would have finished eating. So you became all of that. And then Chiraya Sayam, until the evening, you have to play, you have to graze the calves. So you were playing with yourself and you were grazing yourself as calves. And when the evening time came and the appropriate time came, then you came back along with all the boys and along with all the calves to Vrindavan. You all came back to your houses respectively at this time. So Vatsayitas Tadanu Gopa Ganayitas Tvam, Shikyadi Bhanda Murali Gavaladi Rupaha Pragvad Vihritya Vipineshu Chiraya Sayam, त्वं माययात बहुधा व्रजम् आययाथ. वत्साहितस्तदनुभोपगणाहितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीघबलादिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययात बहुधा व्रजमाययाथ.
वत्सायितस्तदनु गोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीगवलाधिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययाथ बहुधा व्रजमाययाथ. व्रजमाययाथ. वत्सायितस्तदनु गोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीगवलादिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययाथ बहुधा व्रजमाययाथ.
वत्साहितस्तदनुगोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीगवलादिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययात बहुधा व्रजमाययात. वत्साहितस्तदनुगोपगणायितस्त्वं शिक्यादिभाण्डमुरलीगवलादिरूपः प्राग्वद्विहृत्य विपिनेषु चिराय सायं त्वं माययात बहुधा व्रजमाययात.
त्वामेव शिक्यगबलादिमयं दधानो भूयस्त्वमेव पशुवत्सकभालरूपः घोरूपिणीभिरपि गोपवधूमहीभिः आसादितोऽसि जननीभिरतिप्रहर्षात्. So this is again a continuation of the previous one, right? Saying you in the form of a gopa wasn't taking you who was in the form of a calf, along with you who's also in the form of a horn and also in the form of a murali of the flute, and then you went to your house, to that particular gopa's house. And when you went there, the Ghorupini, Gopavadu, so the mothers of the calf, which are the cows, as well as the mother of the boys, the gopas, they have to recognize. See, that is also important, right? If you put your Vesham portrait, like if you're acting, you can dress up like somebody, but then you will not, you may behave for some time, but you have to actually be like that person, right? They can clearly see from the accent or the way you sometimes you may be angry when you come back. So he has to behave exactly like that. So each of those calves and each of those gopa boys, when you went to the respective houses, and all the mothers and the cows started welcoming them back, like they are back, because they had absolutely no doubt that it is anybody else, right? So they all thought it is their own child and their own calf, and the cows and everybody welcomed the boys and you back there. So Twameva Shikya Gavaladi Mayam Dhadano, comma, Bhuyas Twameva Pashu Vatsaka Bhala Rupaha Go Rupini Bhirapi Gopa Vadu Maibihi. Put a visarga at the end there. Gopa Vadu Maibihi, comma. Next, the Rasa becomes Asa. Asaditosi Janani Bhirati Praharshat. Janani Bhirati Praharshat. Twame Vashikya Gabaladimayam Dhadhano Bhuyastvameva Pashuvatsaka Rupaha Ghorupini Bhirapi Gopavadhu Mahibihi Asaditosi Janani Bhirati Praharshat.
Twameva Shikya Gabaladimayam Dadhano Bhuyastvameva Pashuvatsaka Rupaha Gorupinibhirapi Gopavadhuyam Vadhumayibihi Asaditosi Janani Bhirati Praharshat.
The third line, sorry, third line, I heard an extra ir. It's go rupini bhirapi.
Go rupini bhirapi. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Tvameva shikya gabaladi mayam dadhano bhuyastvameva pashuvatsaka bala rupaha go rupini bhirapi gopavadhuya gopavadhu mayi bihi asaditosi janani birati praharshat.
त्वामेव शिक्य गवलादिमयं दधानो भूयस्त्वमेव पशुवत्सकबालरूपः गोरूपिणीभिरपि गोपवधूमयीभिः आसादितोऽसि जननीभिरतिप्रहर्षात् त्वामेव शिक्य गवलादिमयं दधानो भूयस्त्वमेव पशुवत्सकबालरूपः गोरूपिणीभिरपि गोपवधूमयीभिः आसादितोऽसि जननीभिरतिप्रहर्षात्.
We'll do one more stanza and we'll stop today. Jeevam hi kanchidabhimana swakiyam matva tanuja iti raga bharam vahantyah atmanameva tu bhavantamavapya sunhum pritim yayurnakiyatim bhanitascha ghavaha. So every mother likes their own child for, because they have that feeling of it is my child, right? So, and the same thing also applies to a cow. A cow loves its calf because it is its calf. And this is because of abhimanam, because of this feeling of it's mine, right? So adanala we always, although we may say, oh, I love all the kids. If you're a teacher, right, and you have all the kids, then you say, you know what, I like all the kids. Absolutely, I like all of them equally. But somehow when it comes to your child, you have that extra 1%, right? Extra liking that you have. That is because of the feeling of it is mine and that mineness that is there. That is the abhimana. So because everybody has, we are all the humans, right? So that's what is happening. And the same thing applies to cows as well. But when that universal soul has now come as your child, right? Suddenly all these parents and these mothers are beginning to like not only their child more than what they used to like, they also started liking the other kids also equally, right? So if they say, oh, and the neighbor's son, oh, I like him also equally as my son. And they are all wondering, how is it that I like him better now, right? And the panya always is a rowdy boy, he always does a lot of kurumbu, but somehow I like him now, right? I like him as much as I like my son. Adhe mari, the cows also started liking all the other calves, and they all having a feeling of more liking or lovability to their calves as well. So in the mari, all of these gopas, the gopikas, as well as the gopas, the husbands, as well as the cows, they all experienced extreme happiness because now you have become their own child, right, for this period of time right now. So Jeevam hi kanchit abhimana. You can break it, kanchit abhimana or kanchid abhimana together. Vashat swakiyam, comma, matva tanuja iti ragabharam vahantyaha atmanam eva tu bhavantam avapya sunum, comma, pritim yayurna kiyatim vanitascha ghavaha.
Sorry, kiya neem sonela.
Enide?
Kiya teema, kiya neema.
Kiyatim.
Team dane. Okay.
Yeah. Jeevam hi kanchidabhimana vashat swakiyam matva tanuja iti raga bharam vahantyah atmanameva tu bhavantam avapya sunhum pritim yayurna kiyatim vanitascha ghavaha.
Jeevam hi kanchita bhimana vashat swakiyam matva tanuja iti raga bharam vahantyah atmanameva tu bhavantam avapya sunum pritim yayurna kiyatim vanitascha gavaha. जीवं हि कञ्चित् अभिमानवशात् स्वकीयं मत्वा तनूज इति रागभरं वहन्त्यः आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुं प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियतीं वनिताश्च गावः।
जीवं हि कञ्चिदभिमानवशात् स्वकीयं मत्वा तनूज इति रागभरं वहन्त्यः आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुं प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियतीं वनिताश्च गावः। जीवं हि कञ्चिदभिमानवशात् स्वकीयं मत्वा तनूज इति रागभरं वहन्त्यः आत्मानमेव तु भवन्तमवाप्य सूनुं प्रीतिं ययुर्न कियतीं वनिताश्च गावः।
Krishnaaya Parabrahmane Namaha. We'll end the class here. Sandhranandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurusharthatmakam brahmatattvam tattavadbhadi sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam janaha काहेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Thank you everyone.